Classification of induced EMFs. First one, dynamically induced EMF. Put a side heading, dynamically induced EMF. First one, dynamically induced EMF. Stop writing and listen properly. Now, listen and ready to type. Whatever advice, ready to type. Okay. Tell me, flux will always flows from north to south only, na? Flux will always flows from north to south, right? Are you understand? Flux is always flows from north to south. Correct. How many flux lines are flowing from north to south? You tell me. Please understand, very important concept. How many flux lines? 4 flux lines, right? Okay, hold up. Look at the board, everybody. Look at the board. Right now, my conductor is sitting at where? Which flux line it is sitting? That blue color dot. Have you seen the blue color dot? Where it is sitting, your conductor? At 2. Perfect, at 2. Tell me. Suppose if your conductor is moving in this direction, it means if your vector, your conductor, that dot conductor is moving parallel to this flux line. What is induced EMF? E is equal to N into d phi by dt. If I remove this N, can I say induced EMF is proportional to d phi by dt? If I remove that N, can I say induced EMF is proportional to d phi by dt? Or in other words, E is equal to B L V sin theta. What is theta? Theta is nothing but angle between flux density and what is called V? Anyone tell me? What is called V? What is called V? V is a flux density. L is the length of the conductor or effective length of the conductor. What is V? Very soon I will prove that is not velocity, that is another name. But right now I am telling it is a velocity. But give me 2 minutes of time, I will prove it is not velocity. Okay? Velocity of the conductor, correct. But proper word is not that. Okay? Right now assume it is a velocity of the conductor. Tell me, right now your conductor and the flux both are in same direction or different direction? It means what is the angle displacement between those two? What is the angle displacement between those two? 0. 0 will produce kitna EMF? 0 EMF, correct? No angle displacement, so 0 EMF. Suppose if your it is making, let us say, some 60 degrees angle. Tell me, if it makes 60 degrees angle, tell me 0 EMF or no finite EMF? 0 EMF or finite EMF? 0 EMF or finite EMF? Finite. Now suppose the flux lines are exactly perpendicular. Tell me, how much EMF you will get? Maximum. Why? Why you are not getting 0 induced EMF along that particular line? Why you are not getting induced EMF along this line? Why you are getting less induced EMF here? Why you are getting more induced EMF here? Because of this sine angle you can say, but according to this, how you will give the justification? According to the formula, I can say this is true, but according to this induced EMF equation, change in flux must be there, na? To produce induced EMF, change in flux should be there or not should be there? To produce induced EMF, change in flux should be there or not there? Yes, change in flux should be there. Then how you will justify the statement? If you justify that statement, then I can say this and this both are same. Suppose if I am not able to justify this, then I cannot say this. I hope it is clear, right? For this, I would like to just doing a small addition here. Just look at this board. Same north, same south. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 3, 5, 2, 5, 1. That is my vector. That is my velocity of the conductor. Right now it is at there. tell me, right now, your velocity of the conductor, it means right now your conduct at phi 2 only, na? Please, come with me, follow me, you will get the answer. Tell me, right now your conductor is at position 2, flux 2. Tell me, is there any change in flux? Change in flux means what? Change in flux means what? After some time, it should go from phi 2 to phi 3. Then only I can see it is a change in flux, correct? If the flux, after some time, if it moves from phi 2 to phi 3, then I can see it is a change in flux. But right now, is there any change in flux? Come on. Right now, is there any change in flux? Right now. No. Therefore, no induced EMF, correct? Yes. So, according to this, that is satisfied. Now, look at the board. Conductor, according to generator principle, conductor is rotating or field is rotating? Tell me. Conductor is rotating or field is rotating? Come on. Conductor is rotating or field is rotating? Come on. Conductor. Dekhte hai. It means conductor is like, just look at 3D side. Conductor is rotating like this. Are you getting my point? It means like this. Conductor is rotating like this. Clear? Conductor is rotating like this. I am applying this on the board. Okay? Conductor is rotating like this. I am applying on the board. Tell me, after some time, this conductor will be, after some time, this conductor will be like, see, conductor is moving now. I hope you are understanding what I am saying. Right now your conductor is at phi 2. After that your conductor is moving to phi 3 na? Yes or not? Phi 3 na? Look at here. After this your conductor is interlinked with the phi 2 and phi 3. Now your flux is changing from phi 2 to phi 3. Now more flux is linked. Now you tell me, after some time, your flux, there is a possibility to interlink this 4 also, na? Tell me, after some time, your flux is going to interlink with the phi 4. Now tell me, at the beginning, it is at phi 2. After some instant, phi 2 and phi 3. After some instant, phi 2, phi 3, phi 4. Therefore, how many flux linkages it is having? More flux linkages, na? Therefore, can I say it will have more induced EMF? It means change in flux is happening or not? Change in flux is happening or not? Therefore, EMF is induced. Tell me in which case more induced EMF? In which case more induced EMF? Tell me in which case more induced EMF? I need my answer. In which case more induced EMF? 90 degrees. It means when all the flux lines it is intersected, correct? Tell me. Exactly here, all the flux lines are intersected. Exactly here, all the flux lines are intersected. So can I say I'll get more induced EMF? Yes or not? Now I have another answer also. Phi 4, phi 3, phi 2, phi 1. ठीक है? Now देखो एक बार. Right now my conductor is sit at phi 2. Right now, my conductor is sitting at phi 2. Conductor is not rotating. He is stationary. He is sitting like this. He is stationary. Now, my field is, I hope you understand what I said. My field is now rotating. My field is now rotating. Tell me, right now it is sitting at phi 2. After that, your conductor is now cuts by which flux? Let us assume it is moving from down to up, like this. Right now it is at phi 2. Now which flux will cut the conductor? Phi 3 or phi 1? Perfect, phi 1. After phi 1, who will conduct? After phi 1, who will cut? After phi 1, who will cut, sir? 4. After 4? After 4? After 4. 3. After that, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. It means, can I say a stationary conductor is now again facing a change in flux? Yes or not? A stationary conductor is now change in flux. Correct? Stationary conductor change in flux. EMF is induced or not? EMF is induced or not? Correct? Change in flux, stationary conductor. Yes. Therefore, can I say this is what? Here, conductor is rotating or field is rotating? Conductor is rotating or field is rotating? This case. Conductor or field? Conductor is rotating. Correct? That is what is called dynamically induced EMF. Dynamically induced EMF. Similarly, here also, field is rotating, but conductor is stationary. Field is rotating, but conductor is stationary. Still, it is producing induced EMF or not? Tell me, this induced EMF and this induced EMF. This induced EMF will occur for which machine? That induced EMF will occur for which machine? That induced EMF will occur for which machine? Conductor rotating, field stationary. DC generator. Correct? DC generator. What about this? I hope everybody understood. Conductor is rotating, field stationary. That is what DC generator na? ये वाला क्या? बताओ. This is for which machine? Field is rotating. Conductor stationary. No, not induction motor. Field is rotating. Conductor stationary. Not getting? Synchronous machine. Tell me, in synchronous machine, field we are rotating or not? In synchronous machine, field we are rotating na? I hope you understand what I said. Okay, that's not a problem. I'll tell you. In synchronous machine, field is rotating, conductor is stationary na? Why? Concentrated winding synchronous machine. Did you remember that? Synchronous machine field winding is concentrated or not? Field rotating, conductor stationary. Where the conductor stationaries are available? Stationary conductors are available where? Armature na? In synchronous machine. Tell me, in synchronous machine. Are you getting my point? Synchronous machine. Armature is stationary or not? That is stationary conductor. Rotor field is rotating. Tell me, EMF will be induced? Can I see EMF will be induced? Stator conductors are stationary. Rotor field is rotating. EMF will be induced. Can I say that is my synchronous machine? Yes. This is my synchronous machine. Then what is the only difference between your synchronous machine and a DC machine? Like synchronous generator and DC generator. Only difference. Tell me anyone. Synchronous generator and DC generator. What is the only difference? Your synchronous generator also giving output voltage. Your DC generator also giving output voltage. But what is the difference between them in performance wise? Very good, Saurav. Very good, Sabbash yaar. In DC generator, conductor is moving, field is stationary. In DC generator, conductor is moving, field is stationary. But whereas in synchronous machine, conductor stationary, field is rotating. Correct or not? Look at here. Here field is moving. Here conductor is moving. Here field is moving. Here conductor is moving. Can I say both the cases EMF is induced? Both the cases are acts like a generator, but one case is conductor rotating, in another case is field rotating. Can I say that? Yes or not? Everybody, don't miss any point. पूरा की पूरा मिलेगा इस तरफ से. ठीक है? डीसी जनरेटर, सिंक्रोनस मशीन, ओनली डिफरेंस. ठीक है? यस. I hope this is clear, everybody. Dynamical induced EMF. Please take down this. Please take down this quick. Next one, rotational induced EMF. Just put a heading. Don't write anything. I will give you time. Don't write anything. Just put a heading. Rotational induced EMF. ठीक है? Rotational induced EMF. So first of all, what does it mean by rotational induced EMF? That I will see right now. So first I will consider, right now my conductor is rotating with some velocity, na? Field stationary, conductor is rotating with some velocity. What are the units for velocity? Come on, what are the units for velocity? What are the units for velocity? Meters per second, perfect. Let us say 10 meters per second. 10 meters per second, your conductor is rotating. ठीक है? Field is stationary. Can I say that? Field stationary. It means here conductor 10 meters per second, field 0 meters per second. Okay, चलो देखते हैं. 10 meters per second. Let us assume it is moving in this clockwise direction like this. ठीक है? Like this it is moving. चलो, tell me. After phi 2, where it is going to intersect? After phi 2, where it is going to intersect? Come on. Conductor only is rotating. After phi 2, where it is going to intersect? Come on. 3. After that? Come on, quickly type. After that? 3 after 4, 4 after 1. It means, is the flux is changing or not? Is the flux is changing or not? So, flux changing is there. Induced EMF will be there or not? Flux changing is there. Induced EMF will be there or not? Yes. Very good, very good, very good. Shabash. Now देखो एक बार इधर. So in short I am writing C for conductor, F for field. ठीक है? In short I am writing because I don't have enough space for the space constraint. I am writing C for conductor, F for field. Okay? Now conductor is rotating 10 meters per second. Field is also rotating at 10 meters per second. Field is also rotating. I am considering like 10 meters per second, 10 meters per second. Tell me, if this is 10 meters per second rotating, if the field is also rotating 10 meters per second, tell me after some time, where your conductor will sit? Is it phi 2 or phi 3? Come on. Come on, here only magic. Do the magic, come on. Right now your conductor sit at 2. Your conductor is rotating 10 meters per second. Your field is also rotating 10 meters per second. Then after some time, conductor will set at 2 or 3. Everybody should respond for this. 2. Tell me after some time also. Tell me after 10 hours, after 1 day, after 2 days, can I say your conductor is always sitting at 2? Tell me, if it is always sitting at 2, is there any change in flux or no change in flux? Come on. Is there any change in flux or no change in flux? Is there any change in flux? No change in flux. No change in flux will produce any induced EMF or no induced EMF? No change in flux will produce any induced EMF or no induced EMF? No EMF. No EMF. ठीक है? Here EMF is not equal to 0. Here EMF is equal to 0. चलो देखते हैं. Third situation I will take. Here conductor is 12 meters per second. Field is 10 meters per second. चलो. Conductor is 12 meters per second. Field is 10 meters per second. Who is moving fast? Who is moving fast? Who is moving fast? Conductor or field? Conductor 12 meters per second. Field 10 meters per second. Who is moving fast? Conductor. Yes. So conductor is moving fast means, tell me, can I say after phi 2, there is a possibility it will go to phi 3? Yes or not? Can I say after phi 2, it will go to phi 3? Because your phi 1 is coming late, na? Your phi 1 is coming late. Yes? Now you tell me. After phi 3, it will be phi 4. After phi 4, it will be phi 1. Flux change is there or no flux change? Come on. From phi 2 to flux change is there or no flux change? Respond for this. Flux change is there, EMF is there? Flux change is there, EMF is there? Yes, sir. Flux change is there, EMF is there or not? Yes, EMF is there. Therefore, EMF here is also not equal to 0. Then you may get you can ask it out. Sir, why you are taking conductor is more speed? I want to take field is more speed. Chalo dekhte hain. Tell me, if a field is more speed means your conductor actually moving in upward direction, na? Correct? Your field is, let us say, it is also moving in this direction. Tell me, if your field is faster, tell me after phi 2, who will touch the conductor? Phi 1 or phi 3? If the field is faster. Perfect. Therefore, what is the conclusion that you have observed here? Anyone tell me, what is the conclusion that you have observed here? That is the beauty of this concept. Tell me, what is the conclusion you have observed here? What is the conclusion that you have observed? Come on. What is the conclusion you have observed? Anyone answer? Change in flux produce induced EMF if speed is 7. Abhiram, shabash yaar. Shabash. Look at here. Anything is there, anything either conductor or flux changes, EMF will be there. Perfect, Pooja. That is also perfect answer. In another words, can I say like this? Look at the board. If there is a relative motion between the conductor and the field, then EMF will be induced. I hope you understand. The relative motion between the field and the conductor. If there is any relative motion, then can I say EMF will be induced? Now you tell me, is it now velocity of the conductor or a relative velocity of the conductor? Come on, batao. It means we are saying speed, na? Speed of the conductor. Is it the speed of the conductor or relative speed of the conductor? Tell me, is it the speed of the conductor or relative speed of the conductor? Yes, relative velocity. Relative speed must be there between what to what? Relative speed must be there between what to what? Relative speed must be there between conductor and field. एक बार बताओ. Your conductor is rotating at infinite speed, but there is no field. Your conductor is rotating at infinite speed, but there is no field. Will you get induced EMF? No. Correct? Therefore, to produce induced EMF, what are the two major things that you need? To produce induced EMF, what are the two major things that you need? Two major things. What are the two major things that you need to produce induced EMF? One is a field, another one is a conductor, which is moving, right? The relative motion should be there, correct? Now, here, देखो एक बार इधर. Here, if you observe that, there is a relative motion, right? Where you will get relative motion? In which machine you will get relative motion? It means field, conductor. Where you will get that relative motion? In which machine you will get relative motion? Field and conductor. Come on. Field, conductor. Which machine? Quick, type quick. Where you will get relative motion? In which machine? Here field is rotating. In DC machine field is rotating. No, field is stationary, na? Yes. Induction motor and synchronous motor. I'll tell you. Can I say this is my synchronous motor? Basically, rotating magnetic field will rotate at which speed? Tell me. Rotating magnetic field will produce at which speed? Tell me. Rotating magnetic field will produce at which speed? Always rotating magnetic field. Synchronous speed na? ns. Tell me. If rotor also rotating at the field speed, then can I say what? That is synchronous motor only, na? सिंक्रोनस मोटर वाला द स्लिप कितना बताओ, स्लिप हाउ मच फॉर सिंक्रोनस मोटर, स्लिप हाउ मच, just you might have studied, right? Slip zero means is there any induced EMF? Slip zero means is there any induced EMF? Tell me, is there any induced EMF? Come on. Slip zero, is there any induced EMF? Look at here. No induced EMF, na? Correct? Here, slip zero or finite. Here, slip zero or finite. Here, slip zero or finite. Come on. Here, slip zero or finite. Finite slip means finite induced EMF or zero induced EMF. Finite slip means finite induced EMF or zero induced EMF. Finite EMF or zero EMF? Finite EMF. That is why this is induction motor. This is synchronous motor. Correct or not? This is our induction motor. That is our synchronous motor. Correct or not? Always synchronous motor will rotate at synchronous speed only. Induction motor, it will rotate asynchronous speed. Asynchronous speed means other than synchronous, whether it is above or below. Correct or not? Yes? That is why we have studied induction motor will never ever run at synchronous speed. If it rotates at synchronous speed, induced EMF is kitna? Induced EMF is kitna? If it rotates at synchronous, no EMF na? First you tell me, you are taking output in induction motor from the rotor only na? Induction motor from the rotor only? Correct? Induction motor from the rotor only? Induction motor. Rotor only? Rotor is rotating na? Rotor is a mechanical output. So from that you are taking output. What about alternator? Where you are taking alternator output? From the stator side or from the rotor side? From the stator or from the rotor? Alternator. Alternator is from the stator or from the rotor? From the alternator, from the stator. Okay? From the stator. So therefore, we require an EMF in the rotor. Correct or not? In the winding, rotor winding. Where it is available? In induction motor. We required an EMF in the stator. Where it is available? In the synchronous motor. In synchronous machine, alternator. Yes or not? Therefore, can I say that first case is belongs to synchronous motor and the second case is belongs to induction motor? Can I say that? That is why we have studied induction motor will never run at synchronous speed. Synchronous motor always run at synchronous speed. This is the reason. I hope this is clear, everybody. I hope this is clear, everybody. Clear? Yes or not? Clear na? Then I'll give you my statement. Rotational induced EMF. Why it is called rotational induced EMF? Here, both conductor and field also rotating na. I hope you understand what I said. Here, conductor and a field also rotating. Clear? Conductor and a field also rotating. Yes? Conductor and a field also rotating. Yes or not? That is why it is called rotational induced EMF. Whereas, if you look at your previous page, that is DC generator and synchronous generator, if you observe in DC generator, conductor is rotating, field stationary. Whereas in synchronous generator, conductor stationary, field is rotating. It means if any one of this, not two, any one of this rotating in nature, rotating, I said rotating, not time varying, rotating in nature, then can I say that is called dynamical induced EMF? You are getting induced EMF because of the one is rotating, another one is stationary. Correct or not? You are getting induced EMF, one is stationary, another one is rotating. You are getting induced EMF. That is what is called dynamically induced EMF. Here, both are rotating. Correct or not? Both are rotating, but relative motion is there. Both are rotating, but relative motion is there. Can I say this is called rotational induced EMF? Correct? Rotational induced EMF. But tell me now what is meant by statical induced EMF? Statically induced EMF. Statical induced EMF means any rotation or no rotation? Batao ek baar. Statical induced EMF means any rotation or no rotation? Come on, tell me. Statically induced EMF means Sebash. That is true. That is true. Both static. You tell me. I will give you that. Don't worry. First take down this. After that we will go to statically induced EMF. Okay? Go ahead and take it. Third one, statically induced EMF. Statically induced EMF. Tell me, statically induced EMF means what? Come on. Field is there. Is it field rotating? Field rotating? No. But time varying. Field is not rotating, but time varying. Are you getting my point? Field is time varying. It means how I'll represent that. I have a core like this. This is my current flowing. Alternating current. Alternating current means, is it varying with respect to time or constant with respect to time? Is it varying with respect to time or constant with respect to time? Varying with respect to time. So varying with respect to time का मतलब इस तरफ से ना? But field rotating Come on. Yes or no? Only one answer. Field rotating time varying only, correct? Field rotating. If I say time axis on x-axis, time on x-axis and field on y-axis. Come on. Field rotating, I said time varying. Is it rotating? Rotating or not? No. But you cannot say directly. Reason is, you have to check the winding position. Is it concentrated or distributed? Is it concentrated or distributed winding? Concentrated winding or distributed winding? Come on. Concentrated winding or distributed? Concentrated winding, will it produce any rotating magnetic field? Concentrated winding, will it produce any rotating magnetic field? No. Therefore, is it time varying but not rotating? But conductor is stationary, na? Yes or not? Conductor is stationary or not? Come on, tell me. Conductor is stationary? Yes or not? If once conductor is stationary, time varying. Conductor stationary, time varying. Induced EMF will be there. Why? What is the induced EMF relation? N into d phi by dt. To produce induced EMF, you require turns. Point number 1. We have turns or zero turns? We have turns or zero turns? Turns are there. Where n is the number of turns, not speed. Okay? d phi by dt. D phi by dt is nothing but change in flux with respect to time. Is it flux is changing with respect to time or not? Is it flux changing with respect to time or not? Yes. Therefore, change in flux with respect to time is a finite number. Number of turns also finite number. Therefore, induced EMF is finite or zero. Come on. Therefore, induced EMF is finite or zero? Finite. Okay? Now, let us put all the conclusions in one particular place. Dynamically means, I will ask only one question. Perfectly you have to answer. Listen. Dynamically induced EMF means, field conductor both are rotating or one rotating, one stationary. Dynamically induced EMF means, conductor field both are rotating or one stationary, one is rotating. One is rotating, one is stationary. If I say synchronous machine, which is rotating? Come on. If I say synchronous machine, which is rotating? Field, Sebash. If it is a DC machine, conductor is rotating. Correct. What about in rotational induced EMF? Both are. Rotational induced EMF. Both are rotating or only one is rotating? Both rotating, but is there any relative difference or no relative difference? Mean both conductor and field, is there any relative difference or no relative difference? If relative difference is not there, then that is which machine? If relative difference is not there, then that is which machine? No relative difference, then that is which machine? No relative difference, then that is which machine? Synchronous generator motor. Synchronous motor. Relative difference is there, then that is? Relative difference is there, then that is? Come on. Relative difference is there, both conductor and a field, induction motor. Now, field time varying but conductor stationary. That is which machine? Field time varying but conductor stationary. Which machine? Yes, come on. Which machine? Field time varying, conductor stationary. Which machine? Come on, which machine? Transformer. Perfect. Take it. Example, transformer. Example, transformer. Okay? Take it. After that, I will discuss some important topics.